I will now show you how to cook this frozen pizza in a Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. No need to defrost pizza, we are cooking it straight from frozen. I will be using a large 6-quart glass bowl and a crisper plate. So first let's put in the crisper plate into the air fryer bowl. And now let's put the frozen pizza in the air fryer. So remove all packaging and put the pizza in the air fryer and a crisper plate. And let's put the air fryer bowl in the air fryer. Now I'm going to turn the air fryer and I will set the mode to recrisp. And I will set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this pizza. It looks amazing. Cheese is perfectly melted. The top is browned and the crust is crispy. So good. Let's take it out. Perfect. Let me just show you the bottom crust. The crust is nicely brown too. And now let me cut it. So as you can see, the cheese is gooey and melted. And it's perfectly cooked inside. Amazing. Now let's try it. Looks so good. I don't know if you hear it, but the crust was so crispy and the inside is hot and the cheese is melted. That's so delicious. So good. This is a perfect way to cook frozen pizza in the air fryer. Once you give it a try in the air fryer, you'll never want to use the microwave. Microwave makes it soggy. Air fryer makes it crispy. It tastes like freshly baked. So good. Please subscribe to my channel for other easy air fryer recipes. I have so many here, and I will teach you how to use your air fryer to make anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.